It's a look. It's a look. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. Thank you for clicking to watch today's video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I did this hairstyle, this little half up half down, using a U-part wig. Now you can't tell me that this doesn't look like my hair. This is mine. This texture is literally like identical to my hair texture. This U-part wig is from RPGSHOW, and you guys, like, they really did that. Like, they made this wig, it's like somebody cut my hair in the night and just made this wig out of it, because this is literally like spot on. So if you have natural hair, if you have a relaxer, like this could work for you, honey. This is their kinky, it's either kinky or yaki, I believe it's one of the two, U-part wigs in 24 inches. And y'all, I am serving y'all some realness. I wanted to show you guys a different technique of how you can install a U-part wig, different to the technique where you would normally leave your leave out like in the middle with a part in. So I showed you how I achieved this little half up half down. But yeah, if you would like to see how I achieved this hairstyle, then please just keep on watching. So this is my hair to begin with. I am serving bushy natural realness. But today we are going to switch it up with a U-part wig. This U-part wig looks exactly like my hair. Like, you can't tell me this is not my hair. So the hair that I'm going to be using today is from RPGSHOW. It is the U-part wig. I will leave all the information, all the specifics of this wig in the description box down below. You guys, I got this in 200% density. Who sent me? Because as if like kinky hair is not already like big, and then I picked 200% density. Look how much hair is on this wig, please. So this is what the wig looks like. I did get this in jet black because my hair is jet black, and I got it in, I believe, 24 inches. Like I said, all the specifics will be listed down below. And we have a lot of hair on this U-part wig. I'm a little bit intimidated, but we're gonna make this work, like, by any means necessary. So what I'm going to do is just start by tying my hair back. I don't actually have a mirror here, so I'm just going to have to use my viewfinder. So this is what the wig looks like. So on the inside you get 2 combs here, which is where you would normally cut this bit out. You get another 2 combs either side, and then you get 1 at the back. And then you do also get this like adjustable bit that you can hook along, and they also do give you an elastic band that is adjustable inside the wig. So what I am going to do first and foremost is just to cut this section out. And then I'm just going to bobby pin this in place. And then with the section that would normally be a U like this, I'm actually going to spread it out and then clip it either side of my head. Okay, so this is how you should be looking. Then we're just going to let down this little bit of hair at the front. And then with it, I'm just going to take some hair from the sides. I'm going to just take a bit more hair from the back, just because I want this ponytail bit to be a bit thicker. Then I'm just going to take a hairband and secure that in place. Alright, now comes the fun part, curling my hair. So I'm just going to grab a curling wand and then just go through this hair and curl it. Okay, so now that I've got all my hair curled, I'm just going to run my fingers through the curls just to break them up, because I just wanted like a really loose, more of like a wave. So now, last but not least, got to do my edges just to, you know, kind of finish off and polish off the look. So I'm just taking my gummy edge control and I'm just going to use that to just very lightly lay my edges. I don't want anything like super dramatic, because this is a very like natural kind of look. And voila, this is the final look. This is how we're looking. Super cute, really like natural looking. This is all the hair when I bring it to the front. So as you can see, it is very, very full. So if you wanted to, you could straighten this before curling it so that it's got less volume than this, and it can be a bit more sleek. But I like the volume. I do think that in hindsight, I probably would have gone for a 180% density or like a 150% density, because this is a lot of hair. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, this is a lot of hair, but I think it looks cute. I think I made it work. This is definitely not a summer hairstyle, because you'll be sweating under this. You'll actually be sweating under this, but I really like it. Let me know what you guys think of it. Thank you so much to RPGSHOW for this wig. I actually really love it. And does this not look exactly like my hair? Like, look at the texture of this. Like, where is my hair and where is the wig? Like, this is some of this is my hair at the top. I don't even know which part is mine and which part is the wig, but it literally blends in so well. Let me split up these curls back here. It blends in so well, and this looks so natural and so realistic. Like, when my mom saw this wig, she was like, this is your hair, like this is you. And I was like, right? Like, this is literally my hair texture in a wig, but just extra volume and extra length. Like, if my hair were to grow to this, I think my life would just be complete. But until then, it will one day, but until then, I've got this wig that I can turn to. I love this so much. And you can get this in different textures. You can get, obviously, U-part wigs in different textures if you wanted like a more silky, so like a Brazilian kind of texture. You can also get the U-part wig in that texture. You don't also have to get it in jet black. I just chose to get mine in jet black because that is what best matches my hair. And like I said, this is 24 inches, so she's got a bit of length. We've definitely got some length going on here. But I love this so much. This is just a really fast, simple way to wear a U-part wig, not having to worry too much about blending in like your leave out, because, you know, with normal U-part wigs, like, you would usually like have a part in and then you'd have your leave out and try to like blend your leave out in. But with this texture of hair, like, you don't need to worry about blending in your leave out, because especially if your hair is natural and not relaxed, like, your hair will blend right into this. As long as you've got a little blowout, your hair will blend right into this. If you're new to wigs and you're not comfortable with wearing like lace wigs, then I would definitely recommend going for a U-part. And I know that I did film a U-part video previously, and I showed you guys how I kind of like blended my hair into the U-part. And I did have a lot of people in the comments that were saying that they used to wear U-parts, but they kind of were like a bit skeptical, or they've stopped wearing them. This is a way that you can bring them back. Like, hello. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you did enjoy. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any uploads from me. But that is all. Take care, have a wonderful day, evening, weekend, weekday, whatever time you are watching today's video. Take care and stay blessed. Bye.